Hello, happy lunch and learn, everybody.
Lunch and learn.
Listen, we have some major cultural shock that we need to talk to you guys about here.
I mean, we have a few, but this is just one.
This is one of them. And anyways, I'm bringing you guys into our master ensuite bathroom, and I just want to show you, how it looks. And, we have the standard facilities over here. The only difference is within Mexico is that you want to save the plumbing. So typically when you use the bathroom and you do number two, you're not flushing stuff down the toilet. You're kind of putting it in a basket. So number one, you've got a basket beside you of use, stuff, equipment. Okay, so you're sitting here, right? And you're like, all right.
I just cleaned that.
But then I look over here, ta-da, the big reveal.
What is this?
We got this. We got this. Sorry for the echo in here, but it's a bathroom. And whenever we show our neighbors our house, they're like, oh my God, you guys have one of these. So the question is, what we need help with is we're trying to transition into this and save the earth by using less paper, but trying to use this.
What are the steps?
So we don't know the steps. Like, we have no idea what the steps are. There's a hook here that was here when we got there.
Obviously for a towel.
So I feel like you go from here and you bring your towel, and is this already on, or do you turn this on after you sit down?
And should there be a mat in between for drippage?
There's no seat.
There's no seat.
So
do I stand?
Do you stand? Do you squat? And honestly, when I first turned it on, I thought it was a place to fill my shaker bottle. But no.
Because there is hot and cold.
There's hot and cold. Right?
And when we bring our European friends over here, they're so stoked that we have one of these. So, I know this turns it on, I think.
Yeah.
Right? There's some water. And then,
whoa.
That squirts straight up.
Yeah, it hit
now
up
it's
there.
all over the wall. So that, and then you can...
So there's some power behind that
There's
sucker.
some power.
Anyways, we would love to get your help on this. Does anybody know the steps on this? We've never owned one of these. We've had this here now for a year and a half, never used it. But
And did you know that people think that the people that have these, like we're going to say mostly Europeans, right? They think that we're pretty disgusting that we don't use these in North America.
Yeah.
And, I've given it a couple of goes, and I'll tell you, I feel pretty fresh afterwards. I just don't really know the steps. So if anyone can help us out with that, that'd be great.
Have a great day. Thanks for joining us in this Lunch and Learn.
In our bathroom.
Bye.